Morning. You right? How we doing, guys? Look, I've done it. Can you see? I don't think you can see very well. Yes, I've painted it. Look. So yeah, looks a bit rough, but never mind. I can't be bothered anymore. I suppose it's all right. It's I didn't sand it down well enough because I couldn't find any damn sandpaper. So I just roughed it up as best I could and then just painted it. I could have, whatever. Come on, let me, whatever. Yeah, I'll do. It'll do. Look, what you have a look. Have a look. See, it's all right, but it just it means if you look at it closely, it all looks a bit. Do you know what I mean? It's a little bit rough in places, but it's only filler. I mean, the welds and everything are all solid, so I'll do. It'll do. It's all right. So yeah. Will it fit the bike? So you can't see because it's dark. So I'll stick it on and I'll come back to you and show you what it looks like when it's on there. So yeah, let's get on and do that. Look, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Oh, I'm well chuffed for that. Yeah, there's the bracket on there. My God, that's solid. Yeah, look. Check the flipping paint. Bugger. Never mind, I can always touch it up, can't I? Oh, I've missed a bit there. I forgot to do a bit, or did I scratch that off? Oh well, whatever. Yeah, so it's on. These are what else I added. I welded some little eyelets on, so if I want to tie something, up over the top of the bike, I can lash it down to here or here. And also, when I got the bags on, I need to strap them round this way. I mean, originally I had these little eyelets in here, which were bolted to the mudguard, but as you can see, it was a bit sort of wobbly because obviously the mudguard all gives. Look, see, all moving. So I've made it a lot more solid by welding these on here this time, so you can tie them across like that. Oh, I'm well chuffed for that. That's flipping brilliant. And it goes right in it goes in behind here. That needs painting again, but you can see it's just above the bumper, and this is a solid bar that runs along the back. So yeah, you can see yeah, I'm pretty chuffed for that. Sorry, I'll just put that back in there. Yeah, plate's broke. Stupid thing. Yeah, got another eyelet there, and I didn't know I've got some bungs for these. See these little holes? I've got some little bungs coming to fill them in. But yeah, I'm chuffed with that. I think that looks like got an adventure bike now. Look, I think that looks really good. I'm really pleased for that. I think that looks well smart. Yeah. Anyway, I'll have to let the paint harden up a little bit more, and then I can try the Lomos on it. I did try my my canvas bags, but unfortunately they don't fit anymore because it's too wide now, which is a bit of a shame because it made it look a little bit sort of retro-y. You know, the ex-army ones. These are sort of these were army bags from, oh, I can't get to them now, but down there. They're ex-army ones. They're the ones I had on my scooter when I went camping up on the Mendips. Yeah, I had the ones when I went up on the Mendips. I took those canvas bags with me, and they don't fit on here now. They don't fit on here anymore because the distance between the two racks is wider than the old ones. Because I wanted to keep them away from the exhaust and everything, so I made them a little bit wider than what they were before. But yeah, I'm chuffed with it. I think that looks really good. Anyway, I'll stick the bags on, and you can have a look, see what they look like with them on. Look, it's on and it's painted. Look, yeah, and there they are. There's the smaller lumos. They're mounted. I'm pleased with that. I think they look really good on there. They're pretty well secure as well. I've got straps running round. Yeah, pretty good. I'm quite pleased with that. I did have an issue. I went out for a ride yesterday, and I could feel the wheel was rubbing the back bracket. I measured it from the back of the wheel arch, and I thought loads of room. So basically, if you hit really big potholes, if you hit a big pothole and you get a full sag, then the back wheel is literally millimeters from the rear wheel arch, and it was catching the metal frame. This bit here, it was catching on the back of the wheel. So I don't know if you can see, but I've had to bring it out by an inch. So it's about 20, well, at least 20 mil, 25 mil further this way now. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I've got more of a gap now. There, see, the bar's a lot further back. I was very surprised. I was really surprised. I thought, no, it can't be. I mean, I had a piece of wood in there and everything, and I did it level with the inside of the arch. I measured it all across, and I thought, plenty of room, loads of room. Flipping wasn't. Blooming wasn't. And I thought, yeah, because my mate that had the bike before, he even put longer shocks on it. They're an inch longer than your standard ones, so that meant there was even more clearance. So yeah, that means I think that probably means I'm more of a fat git than I thought I was. I think that's what that means. So I'm an extra fat git, and I've either got no, I should be fine now, shouldn't it? It should be okay because I've moved it back quite a lot. I would say at least an inch. There's at least 25 mil there, so we should be fine now. But yes, I didn't expect that. I really didn't. So yeah, so it's all finished, and I've tried the other panniers on there as well. I put the bigger panniers on it. I actually tried I tried those green ones again as well, and they fit perfect, absolutely perfect. I had to modify the straps a little bit, but they fit perfect, and they're so secure on there. They do not move at all. So I'm well chuffed. So if I get some dry camping, or if I'm lucky enough to get any dry camping, and I don't need to take the Lomos, the dry bags, then I can take the catless ones instead, because I really like them. I prefer them, if I'm honest. They're not quite as big. I would say they're probably only 25 litres each, whereas the Lomos are 30, so you can get a little bit more in. But the canvas ones have got external pockets on front and back, so swings and roundabouts really, so it's probably about the same really. And it's got lots of extra straps. You can strap things to it as well, which you can't do with the Lomos because they've got no extra straps. But I say swings and roundabouts, but yeah, well chuffed. So just need to go for a ride now. So probably see you in that one. I expect so. See you then.